fastest train in Africa.
We wish you a pleasant journey.
This is a plane on ground. 289 kilometers per hour. And look at how fast it's going. Guys, we got jollof rice on board. This is something else. If it's Ghana, it's fried beans. Wow. Moroccan jollof rice. Let's give it a try. Beautiful futuristic train station, and over here is Hilton Hotel. It's crazy. So if they have anything you want us to do in Marrakech, leave a comment below. If you have any food, I want to see how much. I want to do a food challenge in Marrakech with $10 US. So if you have anything, any food you think I should eat in Marrakech, kindly leave a comment below. With us, we are walking towards this way. We want to use the Bureau de Change. We want to change some USD to MAD. I don't know what the today's rate is, but Morocco has a stable economy. The dollar does not fluctuate, so definitely going to be the same price, which is 88.8 MAD to $1. So let's go there before we go inside here to embark on this journey. Don't forget, we're going to be entering the fastest train in Africa, all the way from Tangier to Marrakech. But there's no direct flight, there's no direct train. So the idea is to enter from Tanger to Casablanca. Then from Casablanca, we change to another train to Marrakech. So keep watching. Let's go. We just came here to change money. So how much was today's rate?
Come down.
What's the rate?
By 2 dirham.
That is 8.6.
Yes,
8.6.
8.86.
For $1.
That-
8.86 dirham.
It's not bad now. That's the
No,
same
it's the
thing.
same thing now. Last time was 8.8.
That's our 8.88.
8.8.
Ah, by 2 cents. Let's catch up with the fastest train in Africa. The bullet train from Tangier to Casablanca. Then we proceed from Casablanca to Marrakech. So keep watching.
Ghana.
Ghana?
Ghana has much here.
Ghana, no the. That's not Ghana. That's Senegal. Okay?
Senegal, you guys have much here.
Ghana is Black Star.
Oh, is Angle?
What? Wait. Let's go get some tickets. I think the train just arrived, so people are just alerting from the train. Let me check out this. Wow. With a touch of nature. Let's go and get some tickets before we continue. No. There's a food court, fufu, if possible. Alright guys, so let's go get some food actually. This place looks very futuristic, you know. We go that side. Let's just sit down here, around there. So cold outside, my brother. Guy, it's cold. Hey, let me keep this here. Wow. Hey, there are a lot of people. The efficiency, yeah.
Morocco does everything even in your moving your transportation, they
Yeah.
do everything to ensure you enjoy the view.
Yeah.
Everything's like a tourist opportunity for Morocco.
Look at that. Look at that house.
Everything presents a tourism opportunity. Look at the crowd.
White.
Guys,
Look at
this
this.
is the Boraq, the fastest train in Africa.
Yes. We're gonna take one of this
Yes.
to Casablanca. Then Casablanca we switch over
To Marrakech.
to continue to Marrakech. Let's see. English. Okay. We're done. Alright guys, we have the food. So let's go sit outside. I'm not used to fast food. Eating fast food is the biggest punishment of my life. I prefer Tangier. Alright, let me check out what I ordered.
So do
actually.
you know that the food that you ate yesterday, they said that's Tangier.
Yeah.
That's what they said.
Guys, I just ordered this. This is chicken, right?
Chicken nuggets. So let me check out mine.
Okay.
This
When it's
the
arriving?
burger.
We're going with this. It's coming. We are done with this food, so let's hurry up and board. We are leaving in the next 5 minutes, so keep watching. Let's go board the fastest train in Africa. Alright guys, we are boarding. So let's go board the fastest train in the world, in Africa. All right. Banana. Beautiful.
This is lovely, man.
Let's hurry. Wow. Boraq. This is 2. We're going down to 7. We're entering this one. Beautiful. This is our coach. We're going up there.
61
Keep this here. Yes, I keep my bag here. Oh my love. Hello. Go you keep your bag.
Let me see if I can keep mine under.
So we sit here.
Under here.
Let me check out my seat number. Oh, 61. And this is 61. Nice. Exactly 3 p.m. Exactly 3 p.m. on the dots. If you look at the tickets over here, look, I'll show you guys. It says 15 o'clock, that is 3 p.m. over here. And exactly 3 p.m. we are moving, we are headed to Casablanca. So we need to hurry up when we stop so we can switch over to the TL train, the other train that will take us from Casablanca all the way to Marrakech. So keep watching as I show you guys the view, the beautiful view as we go. Keep watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Let me buy some water. Is it left or right? This one? This side, yeah?
This is. I'm going to go to coach 4.
Okay. Hello. Sorry. Coach 4. Coach 4. Is this side or this side? The cafeteria. This side. Okay. Shukra. Okay. Oh. Come. All right. Wow, guys, this place feels so good. Okay, coach 4. One more. Speaking up. Congo, yeah?
See,
You play today?
Yes.
With Senegal?
No, we play against Botswana today.
Botswana? Oh,
Yes.
good luck.
Thank you.
Alright, guys. Hey, you open. Wow.
Boraq provides a cafeteria in train carriage number 4. We wish you a pleasant journey.
Thank you. This is the best train you've entered in your life.
This is the fastest train in Africa, so this is the fastest train and the most beautiful train.
The speed is speaking. Wow, guys, look at this. 182 kilometers and it's still coming up. This is flying. This is a plane on ground.
I show the speed again. 263 is climbing. Hey!
Yeah, it's speaking of. Mad.
It was 183.
Before,
Like,
see, 268. Guy, this is flying.
From
Only
70
Morocco.
degrees right now.
Yes, I'm saying it's hot. It's not as cold as it used to.
What jollof rice is doing in Morocco.
Yeah, is this true? Jollof rice? That's not true.
It's written here now.
Guys, there's jollof rice on board. We'll have to check that out. We'll have to check that out. There's jollof rice. Let's see if it's true. Wow, this thing is flying. I want to see the speed now. It's flying. Mad. Guys, look at this speed. 289 kilometers per hour. And look at how fast it's going. Damn. I think the sun is coming from there. Let me show you guys this side. Wow. This is flying. Wow. Wow, guys, we got jollof rice on board. This is something else. Let's go. Got jollof. We got jollof. Hey. Train is flying. This is our set, coach 4. No, coach 7. Guy, we got jollof on board. Guy, jollof on board. Guy, go and get your jollof. Rush. Just 54. I want to confirm if this is actual jollof or if it's camouflage.
This is jollof rice, obviously, but is the taste we want to know? What does it taste like? Does it taste more like Ghanaian?
This Ghana is not jollof.
Or
it's beans, fried beans.
or Senegal or Nigeria?
If it's Ghana, it's fried beans. Wow. Moroccan jollof rice.
Let's give it a try. Yeah, try it.
Wow. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, try it.
Jollof in Morocco. This is far better than Ghana jollof.
And try.
Cheers, man.
And there's chicken inside. carrots, green beans.
Wow,
Green beans.
this is good. Better than Ghana jollof, man. What is our farm? Greenhouses. We have like 3 stops before Casablanca. So this is our first stop over here. Welcome to Kenitra train station. So this is our first stop.
Is this Kenitra?
Yes. They all look very beautiful, man. Look at this. Look at the station.
Oh, this is the place we enter the connecting train.
Yeah.
From Fez.
So we have 2 more stops. We only have 15 minutes to connect to the next train from Casablanca to Marrakech. So we need to be on our tour. So keep watching. Imagine. Look at these guys.
This is Kenitra.
En route. Alright. We are moving to the next station. On time. Beautiful station here in Kenitra. The speed is picking up slowly but surely. Wow, guys. That is so fast. So fast, man. Actually, this is the fastest train I've entered in my life. You see that one? Just in a blink of an eye, boom. This is the beautiful city of Rabat, the capital city. See how beautiful it is, man. Clean. I think Rabat is one of the cleanest cities in Africa. Wow.
Aside that is the country's capital city, it also holds the seat of power and commerce.
Guys, this city is very futuristic.
Bro, are you seeing this? The tallest building in Morocco. Damn.
Jeez.
It's so beautiful.
I'm telling you. Very beautiful station. They all look alike somehow. Wow. Interesting. Some people are going down here in Rabat. This is the capital city of Morocco. So after here, our next stop, which is our final stop on this train, will be Casablanca. After which we change over to another train that will take us to Marrakech. So keep watching.
We have arrived at Rabat.
Just 5 minutes and we are moving again to the final station. Wow. So I'll see you guys in Casablanca. Keep watching, don't go anywhere. All these stations are awesome, man. They're very beautiful. Look. This is the stadium.
This is stadium in Rabat.
Yes, now. This is the most beautiful stadium. It's better. It's more beautiful at night.
Bro.
More beautiful.
Okay,
at
this is
night.
stadium. This is where we attended the first.
Yes, the opening.
The opening match. Okay.
The fastest built stadium in the world.
We are approaching the terminal station, Casa Voyageur. We inform the passengers traveling to
Marrakech, El Jadida, Aéroport Mohamed V.
that a transfer
Guys,
is
we need to
available
stand by.
at Casa Voyageur.
We are here in
Station.
Casablanca.
Please make sure not to forget your luggage.
Karibu. Let's go. We go down. Oh, sorry, bro. Oh, it's raining in Casablanca. So let's hurry and connect to the next flight. Guys, welcome to Casablanca station. Awesome. Look at behind me. A lot of people. We need to connect to another train to Marrakech. It is raining. Let me ask. Hello. Where's the train to Marrakech?
C'est la Boissée.
Please?
C'est la Boissée.
Okay, okay.
La Boissée.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
You see how remarkable.
As in,
Country where they walk.
you're right.
Second time we're having a connecting train. Usually you hear connecting flight and not connecting train.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So let's check our tickets. Should be able to.
You're welcome, sir. Number 5.
Thank you. We need to connect our flight in less than 10 minutes. Over here. So we stand here. We came with this. We just crossed over. And we're gonna stand here. And over here, perhaps more people are waiting. We came out from this one. We were boarding. This one is known as TL. So over here, departure time is 5:44 to Marrakech. Over there. The time is 5:43. Departure time 5:44. We came with this train and we want to enter this one here to Marrakech. All right, so let me get my luggage. Okay. The time is 6:47. We're gonna arrive in Marrakech by 8:30. So we still have over 1 hour till we get to Marrakech. I'll see you guys when we get to Marrakech. Keep watching. I think it's getting late. As you can see, the time is getting late. So keep watching. I'll see you guys in Marrakech. Time is 8:36. We are right on time. We just arrived Marrakech. So let's go down. Hey, Marrakech. Welcome. You guys need to step out. Then we get over. Our Airbnb is around 20 minutes from this station. So a lot of people are actually here. So we go, we move. We move. You see Marrakech? We move. Here de Marrakech. Look at everybody. Everyone. We are many. Hello. How are you?
Ça va?
What do you see?
Bienvenue au Maroc.
A Moroccan? Oh, okay. Nice to meet you. Bye. Okay. We are here. Very beautiful. Guys, look at that. Gigantic. Wow. Is this side? You see over there? Parking, taxi. This way. Taxi. Taxis are there. Either parking, taxis, or personal cars. We take this side. But we have to exit and walk like 1 minute before we book a ride. If not, you pay double.
How you doing, my friend?
Anyway. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Wow. Sexy. Kindly comment below what are the best things to do in Marrakech and what are the best food to eat in Marrakech. Is it tangine or couscous? Comment below and let's go over here to get some taxi. Marrakech, first impression, very clean. Look at this. Look. Are you kidding me? If you're watching and you're from Morocco or you live here in Morocco, what are the best things to do in Marrakech and what is the best thing to eat in Marrakech? Leave a comment below. Let's get a ride. Let's go. Guy, you stop, eh? Hello.
What country?
Cameroonian.
Pleasure meeting you guys. Alright guys, we just got our taxi.
Welcome to the Red City. Yes, guys, welcome. This is our Airbnb. Let's start from the kitchen over here. Oh wow, there's a washing machine. There's a gigantic fridge over here, refrigerator. Wow, okay, nice one. And the kitchen is very big. Okay. So let me show you guys the rooms. They also have a little dining over here. This is the sitting area with a smart TV and a little chandelier over here. And I love the roof. This is the Red City, and this is the one of the rooms. Whoa! This one has 2 bedrooms and a little chandelier also. Then when you go outside, bedroom, the second bedroom over here. Oh, it has AC. Who's gonna use AC? And smart TV also. Oh, that's a closet. There's a king size, queen size bed. Then over here, of course, my luggage. And that water is rushing. And a little design. So over here, this is the bathroom. What do you call it? This is the washroom. Over here. So this place is nice. It's nice and cozy. Alright guys, this is it for the trip all the way from Tangier to Marrakech. So like I said earlier, from the train station, comment below what are the best things to do here in Marrakech, and also what are the best things to eat here in Marrakech. Leave a comment below. My next video will be my best video on this channel here in Morocco. So check out my next video, and with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.